Is it Tuesday yet? Fuck yeah. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see it when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at the
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Chelsea here, and I really quick want to thank you guys for watching my Infa and Doom editing RC response. I know it was really short and quick, very kind of sloppy in the 3D tracking spots, but I didn't have a lot of time to edit it. I actually did it all in one day and kind of rushed it, to be honest. But it's okay because it was pretty cute, pretty nice. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching this editing response. And that's about it. See you guys later. Peace.